As an international student who wants to work while studying in the U.S., you will generally need an F-1 visa, which is a non-immigrant student visa. This visa allows you to work on campus for up to 20 hours per week when school is in session and full-time during school break periods up to 40 hours per week. There are also options for off-campus employment under certain conditions, such as curricular practical training and optional practical training. CPT is designed to give students real-world experience in their field of study, while OPT allows students to work either before or after graduation in their field of study. However, it's crucial to note that you can only start working after receiving your employment authorization document. Working legally in the U.S. is taken very seriously by the government, so it's essential to follow all rules and regulations related to your student visa and work authorization.